So today we are in eastern Tennessee's Granger County, about 45 minutes northeast of Knoxville, on the locals' favorite, Joppa Mountain Rd. This road connects Tennessee 131 with Route 11W, and on a scale of 1 to 10, I give it a solid 5. As far as advanced riders go, I wouldn't make this a destination. If you're in the area, it's a fun ride, but I wouldn't seek it out. It's pretty beat up. It's really short. There's not a lot around it. There's no good restaurants near it. And you're not going to fit a group of more than 3 bikes on it. So if you're looking for something as a tune-up road at the beginning of the season, get some switchbacks in before you go tackle the Dragon, this is a fun road. Now let's say you're new to riding, or maybe you just got your license and you're looking for a place to practice, get comfortable with some of the uncomfortable aspects of Smoky Mountain region mountain roads, eastern Tennessee roads in general. This is a great place to do it. It's not highly traveled. You're not going to have a lot of traffic to contend with. You can ride it a half dozen times in an afternoon. There's plenty of room on both ends for you to spin around, ride it in both directions, get a feel for the switchbacks, get accustomed to riding without a shoulder, very little guardrail, and any other distractions that add stress to your ride. Remember, riding's supposed to be relaxing and fun, not stressful and full of fear. And one way to stay safe is to always be mindful of your signs, especially on roads that you're not familiar with or roads you've never been on. A sign can make a difference between enjoying a curve and crashing in a curve. Signs are going to give you a heads up as to what's coming up, and it's going to allow you to anticipate and adjust as opposed to panic and react. Now, the 2 most helpful signs out on the road, ones you should be looking for at all times, are your curves ahead signs and your adjusted speed limit signs. And taking into consideration your level of riding ability, you should be able to safely set up and get through any curve or turn that the road throws at you. So obviously your curves ahead signs are a good warning system, let you know what's coming up ahead, whether it's a left-hand turn or a right-hand turn. It's also going to let you know whether it's a single curve or if it's a stretch of curvy road. Combine this with your adjusted speed limit signs, and now you can get set up and dialed in for the curve before you even see it. If you see a adjusted speed limit sign that's 10 miles an hour, then you know you're coming into something that's pretty tight. Most likely it's a switchback, and you can get adjusted accordingly. If you see something that's, say, 10 miles under the posted speed limit, then you know it's pretty loose and it's not going to be much different than what you're already riding on. You can also use the speed limit signs as a skill level gauge, and you can monitor your progress from that novice rider who could barely maintain the speed limits to the advanced skilled rider who can ride 15 miles an hour over the speed limits now. And that's always fun to do. So here you'll see we have a left-hand curve coming up. It has a guardrail on it. Guardrails can be just as intimidating as no guardrails. It's just another thing that keeps you towards the middle of the road and distracts you from what's in front of you because you're worried about what's to the side of you. Just one of those things you have to get used to if you're going to ride these mountain roads. So here we have a curve ahead sign, and this is letting us know that we're approaching a switchback. There's no adjusted speed limit sign, so we should be able to maintain whatever speed we're at. And we're going to come through the right-hand turn here. Remember, when you're coming through these switchbacks, always stay tight when you're going through a right-hand turn, and stay as wide as you can on your lefts. Don't worry about whether you're getting through the turns faster. It's all about getting through the turns without having oncoming traffic take you out. And trust me, they are not looking for you. So always anticipate that dually coming around that blind turn. Always figure that the guy sitting at the intersection isn't waiting for you and is going to pull out right in front of you. So this was February when I was out here, and you can see there's no leaves on the trees. So the sun glare was a little rough, but the views are amazing. When you come out here in the summer, the leaves on the trees are going to be pretty thick, so you're not going to get the wide open views, but you're also not going to get the sun. It's going to be nice, cool, shady ride for you. You can see the sun there. See how beat up this road is, but it's still fun. I'll probably ride it another couple times this year. Next video is going to be Tail of the Dragon, one everybody wants to ride. So I hope everybody's enjoyed this. Hope you learned a little bit. And most of all, don't ride faster than your angel can fly. Enjoy your day, enjoy your summer, and hope to see you again. Thanks for watching.